we got dumped on. It was really thick, heavy snow too. Take a look. Yeah, I just seem to remember this happens this time of year. Like, no, not even this time of year. It's like an old Catholic-y thing. Like, this happens on Maundy, Thursday all the time. We just get dumped on. But I want to show you something here real quick. This is my native plum tree out here in the snow. Look at that. The flowers are still on. It's like, yeah, we've done this before. This is gorgeous.